Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much alive. Am I? No. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. I know. I don't know what else to tell you, baby. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Y'all, I'm excited for today's video. I'm doing a Sephora haul. I know. I can't remember the last time I did one of these. I don't even know. I don't remember. No, I don't remember. Anyway, I finally got all my stuff from the Sephora VIB sale. I don't know about y'all, but it took forever. I was starting to think that it was just individual pigeons that would just drop the products off to my house. Cause I was like, what is going on? In any case, I got all my little fucking treasures and I am so happy to share them with you. I technically have two hauls. The first ones are products that I wanted to try. And yes, I actually have made some videos about some of these products. But then there have been a couple of these products that literally just showed up the other day. So my order got split in a weird way. Hilarious. In any case, so let's talk about the products that I purchased because I wanted them. And then I'm going to talk about the other haul that I did because that one is hilarious. Okay, and these are in no particular order, but I guess I'll start with the products that I did open because I'm a monster. And the first one would be, of course, the Melt Cosmetics Mary Jane palette. If you haven't seen my review, I'll link it up in the corner there. My thoughts are still exactly the same. Glad I didn't pay for this shit full price. Even at 20% off, I don't think it's really that worth it, but whatever. We eat our mistakes here on this channel, unless it decides to murder me. So with that said, since this didn't, not yet anyway. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm waiting for this to get all puffy and decide to murder me in the middle of the night to ultimately take over my life so it could marry Alex. Joke's on you, I have student loan debt. The next thing is from Lila B, and this is the Glow Face Mist. There are two different sizes for this product. There's the full size one, but I was like, I don't know anything about this. I've heard good things, so I was like, ooh, let me try it. I like it. Do I think it does anything? The next thing I want to talk about is two products from Glow Recipe. The first one is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is phenomenal. I don't use it to set my makeup. I literally just blast my face every time I'm getting upset at work. So this actually lives by my workstation. Anytime I get the same email over and over and over again where I can't legally say,
"Are you fucking kidding me? Please read down below."
I just blast myself in the face with this. And you know what? I think it's working. I think it's helping. It's definitely making me not curse people out. So you know what? I call that a win in my book. The next thing is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. This, it's still kind of too soon to tell if I really do enjoy it, but I started introducing it into my skincare. First thing I do want to say, I didn't break out from it, so fucking love that. Two, I do think it does a nice job calming the skin, but I still really love my CBD products from the brand Prima. So it's kind of like, I don't know how well it's reducing my redness on its own. It's a little bit too early to tell if I would repurchase this, but in any case, I'm not mad about it. The next thing is from Patrick Ta, and this is the Cream Contour Powder Bronzer Duo. I have it in the shade She's Statuesque, which is the lightest shade. And I think I talked about this briefly, I don't know, was it in the makeup bingo or something, I don't fucking remember, where I wanted to kind of compare this between the Wayne Goss. I know there's a bunch of people that have already done it, but of course I would love to add my 2 cents in there. The video hasn't been out yet because I'm still playing with this. I have all my thoughts prepared for the Wayne Goss product, which, spoiler alert, I fucking love it. I absolutely fucking love it. This one I'm liking, but I still want to play around with it before I kind of give my full thoughts. In any case, I got this guy. Those are the products that I actually opened. So the other things are just like backup. So the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner, which is one of my favorite eyeliners, and I got it in the shade Pinky Swear, which is the pink shade, which I absolutely fucking love. I got another backup of the Ola Henriksen Wrinkle Blur Eye Gel Cream. This stuff is fucking fabulous. I use it all the time, and I've been using this product 2 different ways. I use it as one of my eye creams, but I really enjoy using it as a primer. I feel like a lot of my concealers, different ones, not just the cookie one, which I fucking love, has been sitting really nice in that area. So I really, really love this product. And of course, the last one is the little gemstone powder that I haven't even tried yet from Beauty Blender. And this is the Bounce Powder. And I got it in the shade Buff. So expect some sort of fucking review on this eventually. In any case, I'm really excited because I love their foundation. Hated their fucking concealer. That shit was trash, but their foundation was one of my favorites. So in any case, really, really fucking excited to try this. And yeah, that's pretty much, oh, no, sorry, I take that back. And the last thing would be, it's also from Ola Henriksen, and this is the Lemonade Soothing Scrub. This is fucking fabulous. I love it to pieces. This has been my favorite exfoliant as of late. And I actually bought 2 of them because me and Alex have, I'm sorry, Paul Giamatti and I have been using the shit out of them. So in any case, very, very happy to have that. Let me move on to my second haul. So this haul is a little bit more, dare I say,
interesting.
I have a Patreon. One of the Patreon perks is that I do 2 monthly live streams. I thought it'd be a really funny idea if I drunk purchase stuff with my patrons. So being that this is like kind of like the first quasi episode, this is the stuff that my patrons bullied me into buying. Just kidding, I love them to pieces, and obviously I'm a monster and I wanted this too. It's consensual, okay? This is going to be kind of like the half episode, so maybe like the origin story of a monthly future series that I'm gonna do on this channel. I'm gonna drunk buy shit with my patrons, and then I'm going to do a drunk get ready with me that will be available on YouTube. So you don't have to be a patron to see that content, only if you wanna see me drunk buy shit. So with that said, I had a couple of drinks and I just delved right into the Sephora sale. Now keep in mind when I do the series, it's going to be a different shopping experience every time. So for the first episode, which by the way is going to be coming out relatively soon, we started with the Sephora VIB sale. But next month, who fucking knows? It might be from Ulta, it might be from Nordstrom, it might be from Shop Miss A. The possibilities are motherfucking endless. My wallet and liver are ready, bitch, and I'm excited. And without further ado, here are the things that I was bullied into purchasing, and I cannot wait to put all of this shit on my face, because when I opened the box, I was like, oh yeah, I guess I did buy this. Love that for me. So the first thing is from LYS Beauty. This is the Triple Fix Serum Foundation. I have heard such good things about this brand, and it really sucked because as I was drinking, I wanted to purchase more from this brand and everything was fucking sold out. And I think this is the reason why majority of my order was late, because when I did purchase this, it was in stock, but then by the time that it was in the process of shipping, it was out of stock, along with some other little fucking fun surprises in there. I think that's what the holdup was. But in any case, can't wait to put this on my face. The next thing is from Artist Couture, and this is the Supreme Nudes palette. Can I tell you?
As a connoisseur of basic bitch palettes,
I don't own this shit. And I think maybe I coerced my patrons into allowing me to buy this. Because I was like, oh my god, like I guess I'm so drunk, I should buy that classic Anne palette, right? I think that's pretty much what happened. In any case, I am so fucking excited for this. This bitch is so beautiful. I am tempted to just fucking slather my body into it. It's so basic. Look at this basic bitch. I love her. I love you. 36 never looked so fucking good. And I can't wait to put this on my face. Yes. The next thing is from Kosas, and this is a brow product. And if you are new here, I'm very weird and finicky about my brows. I only really use 2 products, and the first one is a brow product from Fenty, and then I use the Benefit Clear Eyebrow Gel. I'm a little scared to try other brow products because I find that they're like really warm leaning, and I'm just a cool tone boy. In any case, this is the Kosas Brow Pop. I got it in the shade Taupe. It looks pretty fucking blonde. I'm a little scared, but you know what? Bitch, we came this far. We might as well fuck my face up with it. Oh my god, what the fuck? This is so cool looking. This looks like a motherfucking Milky pen that I had when I was a kid. What the fuck? This is beautiful. I don't even give a shit if this fucking works. Oh, I don't know. This is blonde. Motherfucker. I mean, I don't know. We could try to make it work. Maybe it's not so bad. Maybe it's not so bad. You know what? I'm optimistic, baby. Maybe this is going to work out. This is fabulous, and I'm really mad because I wanted to get the clear brow gel because it came in like this really cool fucking packaging, but it was sold out, motherfuckers. So in any case, we're gonna slap this on my face. I did get one skincare product, and this is from Milk Makeup, and this is the Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. One of my beautiful patrons said that this was actually quite lovely, and I'm excited to try it because I really do love that body oil. So I'm super excited to try this out. This obviously I probably will not use use in the Get Ready With Me. So I'll definitely update you in the future on how I feel about it. But this is fucking fun, bitch. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh yeah, we got, I forgot about this. Okay. So we have another eyeshadow palette, and it's from Dior, and it's their blue eyeshadow palette, right? Oh, bitch, it's a Barbie dream up in this bitch. Hold on. That looks so fucking pretty. Peacock blue, I'm all about that. I think for my Get Ready With Me, I'll do one eye blue and I'll do one eye basic ass bitch. But in any case, I'm fucking excited. This looks gorgeous. It was actually funny because it was like a toss up between this or Tom Ford, but ultimately Tom Ford lost out, and Dior won. The next thing is from Marc Jacobs, and this is another eyeliner, and this is in the shade, oh, Deja Blue. Oh, is this the blue eyeliner? Oh yeah, so someone talked me into this one. It's like a light blue. Ooh, bitch, that's actually really fucking pretty. Okay, I don't know if you could see that. And I think I got another eyeliner. Oh yeah, I definitely got another eyeliner, and this is in the shade Code Blue. I like the skinny formula better than I do the bigger gel crayon, but because I remember there was one in the past that I got and it just did not fucking stay in my waterline. I'm hopeful that hopefully this lighter blue one will work out. This is a nice cobalt blue. Super fucking pretty. If you ever see these on sale, the fine liners, I highly recommend picking them up. Super fucking fabulous. Cannot get enough of them. I have another eyeliner. We got a lot of fucking eyeliner, okay? The next one is from Gucci, and I believe this one was the gray one. Yes. I think they were telling me that this was good. I think they were.
Ooh.
That's fucking beautiful, bitch. It's a very beautiful slate gray. It doesn't have that old lady vagina smell that most Gucci products have, so I guess that's good, right? In any case, super fucking excited about that one. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Some things I remembered, some things I'm like, oh yeah, okay. The next one is from Dior, and this is the Forever Skin Correct. This one I've always wanted to try, and then I was kind of glad that, you know, my beautiful patrons coerced me into picking this up. But this looks really fucking cool. I'm always in the business of finding concealers, and this one is way too dark for me. Motherfucker. You dumb bitch. That's the joy of buying stuff drunk. So actually, you know what? Hold on. Let's try that fucking foundation. And now I'm terrified. Shit, motherfucker. I need to fucking not do that. I should have foreshadowed this shit. I really should have. Ooh. Oh, bitch. This is fucking nice. Oh my God. Please, 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 please. Okay. All right. I don't know how I feel about that one. Okay. I mean, I really picked very interesting color choices. Let's just say that. I don't know if this is going to pull on camera, but it's very, very peach. And I actually just went over both the eyeliner and the eyebrow pencil. But you know what? This might be bad, but whatever. You know, it could be worse. It could be a hell of a lot darker, and that could be problematic. So we'll take this. Fucking drunk me, such an asshole. Okay, so I hope you could see that. There's a Dior. There's a LYS. If I like the formula, I would consider obviously exchanging it for a shade that is better suited for me, because I think it's just too dark that I don't think I could fucking go outside without someone laughing at me. I mean, they laugh at me as it is, but like this could be like really mean, you know what I mean? The LYS shade is in the shade LG3. I really don't know what that means, but yay. Motherfucker, I knew that was gonna fucking happen. Moving on. I got the Aether Beauty highlighter. I got it in the shade Pure Diamond Dust. So I am so cute. No, you fucking bitch. No. This shit broke. Fuck. I don't know if you could see that. Oh, it shattered. Fucking bitch. Let me see, maybe I could smush it into the pan. Okay, okay, she's being smushed. Ah, what a casualty. All right, so we're gonna be very gentle with her. Ah, that sucks so much. But I probably could press this with some alcohol. Emily, I'm gonna have to call you so you could walk me through the process again. All right, let's try that one more time. I'm just gonna do it on the palm of my hand. Oh, that's fucking pretty. That is blinding, that's slutty, that's wet. This is making me not so fucking upset that I got the wrong shades in both the concealer and the foundation. Bitch, I will take it. I'm so mad though that it came smashed. Motherfucker. Stupid fucking transit. Moving on. The last two things are from Gucci, and I finally got the fucking lipsticks that I absolutely adored during my makeup bingo, where I just literally lost my mind over the shade names. So I got it in My Cousin Rachel because I fucking had to, okay? Because like I said, every cousin Rachel is usually a bitch. In any case, I still want the fucking lipstick. And then I got the other one in the shade Call It a Day. I don't remember getting that one. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's... I can't smell anything, so that's a good thing, right? I kind of want to put this on my face, but we're not going to do it yet. We're not going to do it. I'm not even going to swatch these. We kind of have to swatch them, right? We're going to swatch them, fuck it. We've come this far. No, oh, these are... Okay, listen, not gonna get upset about it. They're definitely sheer. Glad that I fucking got these on sale and did not pay full price for them. I would be pissed. They kind of remind me of the M Cosmetics lip luminizers, except, you know, hella fucking expensive. But in any case, here are the two shades here. The one on the bottom is My Cousin Rachel. The top one is Call It a Day. These are very, very pretty. I'm fucking excited about that. I feel like I did good. We did good. Oh, actually, you know what? I take that back. I'm lying here. There was one more thing that I wanted to pick up, but unfortunately it sold out like that, and that was from Melt. So the next day, one of my beautiful patrons, Ashley, mentioned to me, hey bitch, it's back up. And I was like, fuck yeah. So I was able to get two really fast, and it was Honey Thief and Golden Hour. That's what Honey Thief looks like. Ooh, that feels really nice. Very beautiful. And the other shade is Golden Hour. I love it. Fucking love it. And that is my Sephora haul. So definitely be on the lookout for my future video where I do a drunk get ready with me with all the products that my patrons gently massaged me into purchasing. That's just sounded even weirder now saying that out loud. And on that note, let me know down below if you picked up anything from the Sephora sale, or if you skipped out, or if you're waiting for another sale. Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, I love your adorable, delicious faces. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, trashy garbage boat afloat. I really, from the bottom of my heart, could not do this without you. And I always appreciate your love and support. I really do. And I can't wait to eat you up so we can be one. If you want to know what is currently on my face, along with where to find my podcast, my bloopity blop blop. And yes, we are going to be doing more podcast episodes soon. It's just, you know, we're busy little bears. It's been really, really difficult lately. I always appreciate y'all's patience as we try to navigate through this very, very weird world that we're living in. And on that note, I will see you little pumpkins later. Bye.